going to ask you one-digit addition quiz. If you are ready, let's begin. Look at the screen and solve the math problems. 2 plus 3 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very nice. Your answer is correct. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now I will ask you the next question. Pay attention to the screen. 3 plus 4 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very nice. 3 plus 4 is 7. Aren't you tired, my dears? Then let's solve the next question. 5 plus 3 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very well. 5 plus 3 is 8. La 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 hey la 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 hey la la la. I'm very delighted because my all pupils are very smart. Now the next question. 7 plus 2 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very good. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now let me ask you the next question. 6 plus 6 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very nice. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Are these math problems easy or not? Try to watch all my videos and you will develop your math knowledge. Now may I ask you the next question? 4 plus 5 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Very nice. 4 plus 5 is 9. Well, let's solve the next math problem. 7 plus 8 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Great! 7 plus 8 is 15. Finally, the last question. 9 plus 4 equals what? You have 5 seconds to guess it. Wonderful. 9 plus 4 equals 13. It was my last question. If you liked my math quiz, please press the like button. I will be sad if you don't press the like button. But I hope you make me happy subscribing my channel. See you at the next video.